Welcome back. When you are editing a Camtasia recording file and you pull that recording file into the timeline area, you're going to notice that the file is then divided into two sections. Those two sections are tracks, track 1 and track 2. You're going to notice that track 2 is the audio version of your video. You're going to notice that track 1 is the visual or video portion of the actual video file. And so if you wanted to edit the audio alone, there are a few ways that you can do it. If you know that you didn't need the video portion, what you could do is you could right-click on top of the track, which is track 1. You could then remove that track. You then click Yes. You'll notice then that you only have the audio that you will be working with to edit, and you can begin working on the audio track. And of course, if you want to bring back the video track, you can bring it back by clicking Undo. You can do the very same thing with the audio. You can right-click track 2. You can then remove that track. You'll then just be working with the visual or video portion. And of course, you can redo and add that track back. That means then that we can add other visuals to our existing audio. Now, another thing that we can do is we can turn off a specific track. So for example, what we can do is we can turn off the track 2 or the audio track. We can then do is we can edit the visual track. So we can pull our cursor to the point at which we want to edit. We can then pull our handle, and we can cut out the video that we no longer want. And what we can do is we can add in another visual that we may want to add to this particular track. And all we need to do is to import another video. We can go to our media. We can add it to our clip. We can add the clip to our timeline. And we can then have this visual available with our audio. In this particular case, we need to stretch the visual so that it would extend to the end of the actual audio. What we can then do is to turn our track back on. We can then resave our project, and we can export our project. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.